Hello, here is the first equation that I'm going to use to help you review for your quiz. I'll be posting 8 different videos, 8 separate questions to review for your quiz that you are having on Wednesday or Thursday, depending on which of my classes you are in. Okay, so this is a basic two-step equation, and when I look at a two-step equation, I want to remember what we're doing when we're solving. When we're solving, we're trying to get x, we're trying to get our variable by itself. In order to do that, we're going to use inverse operations. Inverse operations means the opposite operations. Well, in order to figure out what inverse operations we're going to use, we have to figure out what operations are actually happening here. So what's happening with x? Well, I see 3x. That means 3 multiplied by x. So x is getting multiplied by 3. And then I see minus 1. So that operation is subtraction. I see subtract 1. So if I'm trying to do the inverse, I am going to do the opposite of subtract 1, which is to add 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0, and that's why that cancels out. If I added 1 on the left side, I'll add 1 on the right side. So I have 17 plus 1, which is 18. And on the left side, I still have my 3x. So now I have just a one-step equation. 3 multiplied by x. Opposite of multiplication is division. So I'll divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is just 1. So I just have 1 times x, or just x alone. If I divided by 3 on the left, I need to divide by 3 on the right. 18 divided by 3 is 6. And I got my solution. X equals 6. And of course, if you would like to check, you take that original equation, 3x minus 1 equals 17, and you substitute x with the value that you got for x, which is 6. So since that's a 3 times x and we got x is 6, we're doing 3 times 6, which is 18. So we have 18 minus 1. 18 minus 1 is 17. We have the same thing on both sides. So we see that yes, it worked. Our value for x of 6 was correct.